Alright guys, so now that we are on this screen where you can see that I had bought this 7 months ago in the month of July for 0.999 ETH, and 2 months ago, which is in January, I sold it for 10.39 ETH, and this is the collection, or this is the NFT which I am talking about. So the first thing which I'll do is I'll open up the Ether scan. I'll just click on this for this buying thing. So the entire transaction would be seen over here. And on this particular page, you'll see the value is 0.999 Ether, which I had paid obviously. But when you move your cursor to this dollar symbol or dollar value, it says displaying current value. Click to show value on day of transaction, which means this particular thing is actually the value of Ethereum today based on today's price point. So if you just Google price of Ethereum today in dollars. Oops. All right, so I'll just say 1 and carefully see it says 2682. All right, 2682. If you go to this, it says 2683. Obviously, there would be a variation because it is in real time fluctuating here and there. So that is the reason why it is saying this. But this means that based on today's price point, the Ethereum is valued at this cost. But you don't remember what was the value of Ethereum when you had purchased this 7 months ago. This is where you have to click on this particular one. And when you click on that, you'll obviously see value, and that's where this Ether price, the below mentioned Ether price, is actually the price at that point in time. So this 1 Ether price is this, and I paid 0.999. So you can closely see just this much is the difference. Over here it says 0.34, over here it says 0.52. So this is the actual price which I had paid at that day. So which is $1,786.34. So let me just write this down somewhere, which is 1786.34, 86.34, right? So this is the value, and let's go back to this. And now I'll go back to CoolCat's transaction, and once again I'll open up the Ether scan for this particular sale item where I sold it for 10 Ethereum and 10.39 Ethereum. So let's click on this. And now on this page, you can see the value is 10.39. And once again, when you move your cursor, it would say displaying current value of 10.39 Ethereum. But when you click on this, look at this. When I had sold this Cool Cats, obviously I had sold it. Why? Because of multiple reasons. Number one, three major reasons. Number one, I wanted to reinvest back the amount of Ethereum which I wanted to have into a couple of NFTs, into a couple of other business, expenses or investments, I would say. Then I really wanted to just make sure that I'm using the price point of Ethereum. The Ethereum price was very high at that point in time. Okay, the Ethereum price at that point in time was very high, which was close to $3,537. All right, so this was one Ethereum price at that point in time, and based upon that, I earned this much dollar. But in today's market, if I would have sold this for 10.39, I would have gotten this. And in today's market, once again, if we go to Cool Cats and click on Cool Cats NFT, the price of the Cool Cats has obviously decreased as well, and it is not necessary that it would remain this only. It would keep on fluctuating here and there. So now coming back over here, if I click on this, the estimated value which I had earned was $36,000, which is like 36,747. So let's say 36,747.04. And now I'll minus this amount, which is now I'm getting 34,960. So let's click on that, this much, and let's calculate this in rupees, which makes me close to 26 lakh rupees. Okay, this is the actual profits which I had made, because if you just see the amount over here, that 10.39, and then you made something and then you calculate based on the Ether price of today, then obviously you won't get the actual costing or the actual profit of your own NFT flipping or whatever you want to say. Okay, so this is how you calculate the exact amount, and this is where I told you that in this letter, the title is close to around 26 lakh rupees is something which I made profits out of selling this. But the important aspect which I wanted to make sure you learn is this ether scan thing. So hope you love this, hope you find it valuable, and I'll see you somewhere else in the next letter. Thank you.